Hi everyone, this is Sarah. I finished my third journal. This was a gift for my sister-in-law for her birthday, and I thought it would be easier to do a quick video on it rather than take a bunch of pictures. So here is the cover. See if I can do this all one-handed. The ribbon, I ended up actually putting this here because there was a gap between the book tape and the paper, but I thought that really came out nice. And we have this card here that I cut in half and attached in so that there's a pocket. And then a little coffee stain tag. And I made this little flip book here for journaling. There's several pages. And I put tabs on. I thought that looked neat, and I like tabs. So I'm trying to reflect things about my sister-in-law. She likes pink. I hope she likes butterflies because you'll see a lot of these throughout. Here's some coffee stained paper. Now this came out this way because when I put it on the baking sheet, up here was not touching the baking sheet apparently. I thought it was, it wasn't. So where it touched the sheet, it came out darker. I thought it was neat though. Got some ledger, and then this was some paper stock, and I just put a little frame around a couple words here. This, I took some extra strips that I had from the paper I was using and just attached them to the back of this. This was a 12 by 12 sheet. She is a teacher, and she loves France. She's been to Paris. She speaks French. So we have some stamps here. Sorry, that's just a little tag right here. It's part of my phone case. I'll try to get that out of the way. Here's a stamp recognizing teachers. She likes Star Wars, so I mean I had to do pink Star Wars, right? Some journaling cards. Like I said, lots of butterflies. Now this was one that, a page that I printed out. This is a page from the French to English dictionary, and then I just folded it up for a pocket and then added this little doodad, which was part of a paper kit, and there's actually a little card in there she can write on. This is my favorite page. It's so pretty. Got some tags over here. And this page was so pretty. It just needed some lace. It just needed lace. Got a little peekaboo tag here. I'm sorry if it gets blurry or coffee paper. My hand smelled like coffee the whole rest of the day after doing this. It was brilliant. I love coffee. I put in a little bookmark ribbon. It's a bit stiff still, and then we've got some pockets here, little doodads. Here's a little flip out. She's a music teacher as well, so we have music sheets in here and some tags. And she loves the beach. Here's some more Paris. A little pocket here. trying to get through quickly so this doesn't take too much time. Here's one of the little snippets. I think that's coming out blurry, isn't it? There we go. More lace. There you go. Little door. And then get over here to the back of the book, and I just had to leave. This was from a library. I left the library card in here, and then I had this one, so I threw that in there. And then I took a coffee stained envelope and put a piece of a map on there. And there you go. That's it. That's all she wrote. This has been a lot of fun, and I'm going to make another one, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!